Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lo-fi song without copyright. So all you have to do is open pixabay.com on your browser. Here you can search image, video, even music here. For example, you can search a lo-fi music. So there is up to 20,000 free image. Sorry, this is the image. So you can download the image here, one of the image. For example, this one you can open and download it, and after that let's search the music. Come back, this one music, this is the lo-fi music. So you can download one of the music, this one for example, lo-fi vibes, downloading files. Here after you download the picture and the music, you can combine, use a CapCut here. So you can add the picture that you downloaded before and then add the audio here. So you can add a sound, tap the sound and search from the file. This one, device, lo-fi vibes that we download before. So this is the combine between a lo-fi music, lo-fi sound and the image that we taken from the Pixabay. This is completely free copyright free, royalty free, or a copyright free. So after you combine the music and the audio, you are done to make a music video of lo-fi or music video. I mean the lo-fi music. So you can add effect here if you want, like sound or video effects. It's up to you. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.